I went and had to go to the Menards and got another sheet of 1/2 inch, and I got a 2x4 sheet of steel. That's going to be for the sunroof replacement. And I'm still figuring out exactly what I'm doing on the whole sunroof replacement thing, but I got a gallon of the Type Bond 2, and I had to get me a pair of cutters for the steel. I should have got less, but they'll work, so that I could cut the shit. I had to get some more blades for the jigsaw. This will help me. These will help me with the roof tear out. I can cut this stuff. I broke one of the blades. The blade we had, the only one we had, so I got some more. And still not sure about screws, but I think these will probably work for my sunroof situation. It's not going to be the smoothest solution, but these dudes here, self tappers, and they have the little dealie on the bottom of them, so I figure they'll work pretty good for that, to hold that sheet metal on hand. And I'm going to use I don't know, some PL3 or maybe some Flex Seal underneath it before I screw it down. Anyway, you guys will see all that shit. But right now, I'm just trying to screw my brain in. All right, we got to cut 2 more strips for the roof. At 11.5 and 12. That's what this piece is for. Damn. It almost split the difference.
What'd you do? You done tore something up? You read it? God, dog, bro.
Well, yeah.
You about to set it up, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
See what I've been working on with the roof up here?
Yeah, make it cardboard. What does that do? Or plywood?
That's plywood.
To make it sound better?
It keeps it from flexing. All right. I decided to split this piece and measured a couple more times and figured out that I could do that. And get the maximum out of the pieces and minimum amount of waste. Keep life from getting complicated. Boy, I tell you what, I ran that saw 100%. That was bad. That's some bad cut. That should make it work. Dang! So on these guys, you can see, now you can kind of get a better idea what I was talking about. I'm in between the ridges here, and I'm on top of them here. And because I'm on top of these metal flanges, I want to put lots of pressure to conform the mild differences between the wood and the metal. So I've got 3 different braces up in here to sandwich all that together. Basically, we're creating an interlocking shell between the metal and the wood. And this may be a slow to go together roof, but I'll assure you it will be strong as shit when I'm done with it, which is the point.
got me up here recording for real. Yeah. We gotta keep rolling. You always gotta keep rolling. Yeah. I'm just freestyling up straight in my head. You remember when we was going down 23rd Street on Nolan, man? Headed west? No, cause it only goes north to south. I don't give a shit where you from or what you saying about me out your mouth. I just live my life. I'm riding solo, feeling right is right. At least that's what I used to feel like. But I ain't trying to live my life like that, man. I'm trying to look to the light. So every time you slow me down, baby, you gotta keep rolling cool. And every time you look at me in my eyes, you better tell me something that's true and never tell me no fucking lies. Excuse my language, I know I'm not supposed to use the F word in this shit. I can't even stop cussing, I don't know what the hell I'm going straight off from my head. I'm trying to stand up, I never fall down. I'm sick of going backwards, man. Every time I look, take a fucking I fuck that up, but I bring it back. So it seems like I always take 3 steps for every 6 I take forward, I take back. What is that? I can feel it in my blood, I can feel it in my veins, I can feel it in my whole body, man, soul, and all the way down my back. Hey, cause that's my son's name tatted on the back of my shit. You see that tag going straight down the right side of my spine, man. Yeah, that's that. And I got Great Fox Production, super big, it looks like a motherfucker. What they call that shit? Yeah. Well, it ain't no official. Look, it ain't no tramp stamp or whatever the fuck they call it. I'm rapping like a crackhead alcoholic. Look at my teeth, they all falling out. I only got one eye, half eyebrow. Hey, I only got for real one half eyebrow. Hey, so I rap with my eyes closed, cause I don't ever look at nothing else. Cause everything's a distraction, man, when I'm coming off of that nose. Yeah, I'm talking about the hindsight. Every time I look at something, man, I go squirrel, 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 left, left, right, and skip the mind. And then it cruises out of my head. And I don't ever get to remember that shit, man. I live 24 hours at a time, kid. And I don't get it, it's the worst curse I ever had. But it's a blessing at the same time, man, thinking about my dad. It's been only 7 years since I seen him, and gotta keep rolling cool. Gotta let it roll off my head, go off my shoulders, man. Never look back in my bed and say, I just keep rolling. Cause you gotta keep always rolling cool. I messed that up, I got off tempo. Hold on, let me get that metronome back, man. Give me that fucking bass in black. And there's a mic cause my eyes closed. I just feel the beat, man. When I close my eyes, I look back and
in the middle of all this, I had to go for a doctor's appointment and get CAT scanned. Chris stayed here and worked and got the sunroof out. Still got to clean up a lot, and then we got up there and measured out the sheet metal, and that's all sheet metal we added up there. And so now we got it quote unquote sealed back up. So I got a lot of work to do yet now to get all of this sorted, but Chris, man, Chris is awesome. Chris is friggin' awesome. If you guys don't have a Chris, I'm sorry, because Chris is awesome. I just built around that beam right there. Anyway, I gotta rest. I'm tired. But you guys saw the high speed or the hyperlapse. So I get these wires back in here where I can shut this door. I got a bunch of, oh yeah, he did a bunch of cleaning too. You guys probably saw that on hyperlapse too. I still need to get my seals put back on. Well, the only one on is, I think, this one right here. Yeah, it's on. The other one over there is off. I gotta go close that door. But we'll continue on it. And see what kind of mess it is over here. Not too bad. Not too bad. And oh, it looks like he put the seal back on this one, so it's got the seal on it. Yeah, you guys can get a little visual there. We're probably going to cut those bolts off underneath after everything sets up and dries for a couple days. We'll come in here with a grinder and cut those bolts off, but I may just build them into the setup. Let me see if I can get a little extra light here. Have a peek. Yeah, see, they fall right on the other side of that thing. So that wouldn't be too hard to build around, but I love it, man. I love the fact that stupid ass sunroof is gone. That makes me happier than anything else. This is that damn sunroof is de-sunroofified. Here's a little dirty view. You can see it's dirty, but yeah,